Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick Verano. Stock number is A8335. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior. Makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Verano on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.